Once we have our datasets uploaded, we create a new package. We'll be using one of the out-of-the-box models. In this case, we're going to use the tabular data AutoML classification model. So we'll select that package and click Submit. We enter in a package name. We have a package version, as well as some default descriptions. We can go ahead and create a new ML skill. So we enter in a name for this ML skill, calling it loan default skill. We select the package, which is package version 3, minor version 1, enter an ML skill description, and then we can go ahead and finish by clicking create. And now we will have that ML skill available. We search for the ML skill activity, and then we drag and drop it into the correct part of the Studio workflow. Because we're connected to the AI Fabric orchestrator, we can see within our dropdown a list of ML skills that we've created, and we select the one that we just finished. The robot logs in, navigates to the loan page, and begins entering in the data from those CSV files, including those loan default predictions. When the robot is done working, we have a full set of loans and their corresponding loan default predictions entered into the CRM.